in this video, we'll see how we can enable login with email OTP in your Shopify store for your customer. This is my Shopify store, and when I click on account or login, you can see I just need to fill the email, and then I can directly able to log in with OTP. Here you can see. You can see I can just submit the OTP and I will able to log in or create account using my email ID only. So we'll see how we can enable this in your Shopify store. Let's go. I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now what you need to do after login, click on settings. In setting, you need to scroll down and go to your customer accounts. Here you can see in customer account there's sign in link option. So what the you can see show sign in links on header of online store. This is for in header if you want to show this icon. If you don't want to show this, you can just disable it and it will be not fine. You can see first thing that first you need to enable this icon, then only you are able to see this option. Just enable it now. After that, what you need to do, there are two options. You can say choose which version of customer account you like. I will tell you the differences, then you will understand. First is customer sign in with code sent. So this is the one we are talking how to enable login with email OTP. OTP using this. If you select this checkbox, the customer will able to create account or login with directly with email OTP without creating or with ID, password, and all detail. It will be directly linked with email, nothing. And if I select it, customer can create account like this. Currently, you can see. Let me refresh. Here it will create like this. When you click on create account, you can fill and create account. But we want to enable OTP, OTP login, email OTP login. Just enable this functionality. Now, when you go here, refresh the page. Sorry, not refresh. Go back to home page. Go again here. Here you can see. Now you just need to fill the email and click on continue. They will share email the OTP on your email. You just need to fill it or just submit. You can use it for both create account and log into your account. So by enabling it, you can see the login with email option for your customer in Shopify. So that's very easily you can enable the functionality. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have some doubt, any other topic you want me to create a video on it, please comment. Thank you.